Hello students, in this video I will explain a few topics related to the chapter atoms and molecules. So first of all, what is atoms? Atoms are smallest particles of matter. In Hindi it is known as Parmanu, and all matter is made up of smallest particles called atoms. Atoms are made up of three subatomic particles, which is electrons, protons and neutrons. Electrons are negatively charged particles, proton positively charged particle, whereas neutron has no charge, it is neutral. Protons and neutrons are present in a small nucleus at the center of the atom, and electrons revolve rapidly around the nucleus in a fixed circular path called energy level or cell. Atoms are electrically neutral due to presence of equal number of electrons and protons. Now next is law of chemical combination. So there are different laws of chemical combination. So let's discuss it one by one. Number one is law of conservation of mass. Law of conservation of mass was given by Antoine Lavoisier, and Antoine Lavoisier, also known as father of modern chemistry. According to this law, or law of conservation of mass, matter is neither created nor destroyed in a chemical reaction. There is no change in the mass of reactant and product during a chemical reaction. So mass of reactant equal to mass of product. What is reactant? Substance which take part in a chemical reaction are called reactant, and product, the new substance which we obtained after a reaction, is called product. So just take an example is decomposition of calcium carbonate. When calcium carbonate decompose in presence of heat, then it form calcium oxide and carbon dioxide. The mass of calcium carbonate here is 100 gram. Here calcium carbonate is reactant, and calcium oxide and carbon dioxide which is formed after the reaction is called product. So mass of calcium carbonate is 100 gram. It is the sum of the mass of calcium, carbon and oxygen. Here mass of calcium is 40 gram, carbon is 12 gram and oxygen is 48 gram, because here the oxygen is 3 and mass of one oxygen is 16 gram. So 16 into 3 is equal to 48 gram. When we add 40 plus 12 plus 48, then we get 100 gram. That means mass of calcium carbonate is equal to 100 gram. Now next is calcium oxide, which is formed as a product. The mass of calcium oxide is 56 gram, because the mass of calcium is 40 gram and oxygen is equal to 16 gram. Here one atom of oxygen is present, that's why the mass of oxygen is 16. When we add 40 plus 16, then we get 56 gram. And carbon dioxide, mass of carbon dioxide is 44 gram. Mass of carbon is equal to 12 gram and oxygen is equal to 32 gram. Means 16 into 2 is equal to 32 gram. 12 plus 32 is equal to 44. When we add it, then we get 56 plus 44 is equal to 100 gram. That means mass of reactant always equal to mass of product.